Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. After a very long time of trying to grab one of these and trying to get an activation code, I finally got it from a buddy of mine on TikTok. And actually, let me go give him a shout out right now because I completely forgot his actual name. So bro, I am completely sorry if I am butchering your name, man. Uh, Nike Nike Kalala. I'm sorry, bro, if I'm butchering your name, but he actually gave me an activation code. Go follow his Twitter. He also, I'm pretty sure he's got a YouTube, which we'll shout him out now. But Nike dot Kalala, he's a good buddy of mine on TikTok, and also his YouTube is, I'm assuming it's gonna be the same thing, just under his like name and stuff, right? It is Nike. Yeah, I'll subscribe right now. Um, And big shout out to him. He gave me the activation code for the STEPN app. I will be testing it out today, and I'll be, just giving out small little updates on how this is going, how much you can actually, how much GST, or I think it's called GMT, you can actually make. I know that Pablo Heman was like pushing this like a while back. Like pushing this app, and I think he was like one of the original, like a very early investor in this, and I know it actually absolutely mooned for him, so that's pretty cool. But I love the concept, and I run every single morning. Every single morning, I wake up at 4. I'm outside at 5, already running and stuff. Today, I woke up a little bit later just because I didn't get that much sleep last night, but I will be testing this out. And just kind of, showing you guys how much I actually make every single day, or how much GMT this actually makes every single day, by just running and stuff. I bought the jogger. This is my shoe right here. New gem sockets to fit your gems. Check it out. Level sneaker. Cool. So this is my jogger. I guess I I updated all the thingies that I possibly could. I'm gonna keep updating it as much as I can, because I actually think this is a pretty cool concept. I have no idea how it works because I haven't tried it yet, but I will keep you guys updated. I will run it today, and then I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you guys on the next update. Bye bye.